Here I've got Samsung Galaxy A71, and let me show you how to use timer on the following device. So at first you have to unlock your device, then go to the clock application, pick timer, and now it's time to set the timer. So smoothly by selecting some particular period of time. Let me choose, for example, 30 seconds. Need 0 here as well. So let me pick 30 seconds and then just click on start. And now as you can see it's running. You can pause it whenever you want to, just click here and then click on resume to continue the countdown. And then you can use your device in a normal way. You can open whichever application you want to. You can grab a photo or do whatever you need to. And then once you are back in your timer, you'll still be able to check the period of time that has left. So let me wait those 8, 7, 6 seconds. And that's it. As you can see, you've got the notification that it's over. So let me restart it, and then it's going from the beginning. You can also cancel it if you want to. So that would be all. This is how you can set up timer on your device. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.